today is the Restaurants Canada show. It's a huge event that happens every year. There's a lot of suppliers and businesses that come to showcase what they have to offer. And today I was doing the Ontario Greenhouse Vegetables competition.
It's really far-reaching because there's a lot of chefs that haven't done any competition work. So to do this really sets them apart. It really brings up their level of cooking, organization, time management, and cleanliness. It brings all the characteristics you need as a chef into one culmination of one day.
What we're doing here today is really drawing a lot of attention to all the beautiful agriculture we have here in Ontario. We're really highlighting the collaboration that Ontario Greenhouse Vegetable Growers has formed with Humber College Culinary and Hospitality.
It's really a focus on healthy food and local food at this competition. So it really kind of takes them out of their element, and the fact that they have to do it on stage and in front of a whole lot of people is a whole another element that they never had to deal with before.
The students we're producing are of the highest quality. They know that we're producing full chefs. We're not doing part-time or any small pieces. We put our standards that high that they can work with anyone in any part of the industry.